Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see the following topics as pause, the delay, and the wait. So these are the three different activities that we are going to see in this video. And for this one, we have the taskbot package, and under that we have the three different commands as run, pause, and the stop. So we will see that one by one. And then we have again the delay command where we can put the delay that is in the milliseconds or in seconds, like for how much time the delay should be added in between the execution. And there is one more activity called as wait. So wait for, so there are actually different options under wait, and we can call it as a dynamic delay. That means it is based on the condition, actually based on condition. So if that particular condition is executed, then only it will wait till that particular moment, like wait for window. So till the window is getting open, so till that time the bot will wait. So sometimes the window may take 5 seconds to load, or even it may take 20 or 30 seconds to load. So at that moment, this wait for window, so that condition will be, it will wait till the time the bot has launched the that particular web page. So we can say it's a dynamic delay. And for the same, if you put the static delay as 5 seconds, and if the bot has failed to launch that particular web page in 5 seconds, then it gets failed for the further actions. So this is the basic difference between this delay and the wait command. So we can say delay will be the static delay, and wait for it's a dynamic delay. All right, so let's see this in the activities. So let's start with the first one as taskbot. So you can see here it's a taskbot. We have three different activities under this, like pause. So it will pause the currently running taskbot. Then we can run the selected taskbot. So we can select another taskbot from this particular bot and stop. So it will stop the current execution of the taskbot. So let's select the pause. Okay, let me take it under try block. Okay, let's put some message box before and after this, so that we can see the execution before pause. Let's put one more message box after pause. So let me execute this. Okay, now you can see line number 2 is executed before pause. It's a message box, so I will close it now manually. Now you can see the bot has navigated to the line number 3. It's a task bot pause, and it has paused the execution of the bot until the time manually we continue that. So this will pause the current execution of the task bot till the time we manually resume the execution. So let's continue that. And now you can see the line number 4 is executed after pause. Okay, so this is the execution of the pause task, and the bot is completed. Now you can see another one. Okay, let's see the stop task bot. Okay. Now after pause, I am adding the at line number 4 only, stop the current task. So what the bot will do after the stop task, we have one more message box. Let's say after stop task. But as we have put the stop task at line number 4, the line number 5 will not be executed. So let's check it. So this is before pause, line number 2. Then the bot has paused, line number 3. And at line number 4, we have stop task. And at line number 5, we have the message box. So let's continue. Now you can see after line number 4, the bot has completed it. The message box at line number 5, it has not executed. So bot execution is stopped at line number 4 only. So this is the use of stop task. If you want to stop the task, if any particular condition has occurred and you don't want to run the further activities, so you can put the task bot over there. So this is the use of stop task. And let's see one more, the run task. So here you can use the control room file. Actually, there are three options, but mostly we prefer the control room file. So we can select the another task bot which has to be executed. So let's select this one, the previous video, the previous bot that we have created, program files and windows. Let's save it. Now what we are doing is, so this current bot that 13, that is pause, delay, wait. So this will be your acting as a main task. And inside of this task bot, you are calling another task bot with this with this name. So this, the bot that you are calling, this one, so this will act as a child bot. And this, the from the bot with where you are calling, so this will be acting as your master bot. We can say master and sub bot, or the child bot, or we can say the parent child bot. So all the activities will be executed from this bot at line number 6. So let's run this. Okay, it has not executed because before that we have a stop task. Okay, so let's disable this. And this is the message box. Just will update this. Call subtask bot. Now let's run this again. Now this is at line number 5, and at line number 6 we have the subtask. So let's close this. So now currently it is executing the subtask that we have called at line number 6. And in that one, we have the action as minimize window. and currently that window is not open, so it is going to throw the error. Yes, we got the error as the window to be minimized is not found, because currently we are at bot number 13 and this window title is for bot number 12. That was the previously we have created. So we will close this, and you can see the bot has not stopped in between abruptly because we have handled it properly with the help of try catch block. Now we can see it has logged the message and then stopped the execution. You can see it in the logs folder, audit log. Yes, you can see in the audit log, this is the current date time. This one, these are the current logs, and it has executed all the steps in that particular task bot. So this is what we can use the task bot activities: run, pause, and stop. So let's disable this. And now we can go with the next activities like delay and the wait. So let's have the delay over here. Okay, pause the task bot also. I will disable this. Okay, message box. This is before pause. Okay, and this is the delay. So you can see there is a option of regular delay in millisecond and seconds. Let's add it to 5 seconds. So after the first message box, okay, we'll make it auto close after 2 seconds. Then after 2 seconds, this message box will get closed, and then there will be a delay of 5 seconds, and then this message box will be pop up. Let's run it. So here manually we are setting the delay for of 5 seconds. So it is auto close. Now you can see there is a delay is getting executed for 5 seconds, and then the call the subtask bot, this message box is displayed. We can close it. So this we can call it as a static delay. So how much time we set here? So till that time the bot is going to stop. Not stop, it will wait for that particular uh, amount of time. And again there is a one more option called as random, but we will not, mostly we are not preferring this one, as it's a, we cannot predict how much time it will take in between, that is from and to. So it's always good practice to use the regular delay. If you know in this particular amount of time the condition is getting to be satisfied, then you can go with this one, static delay. Else you can go with the another one, that is wait. So here we have the three different options like wait for condition. Okay, let's explore this. Wait for condition. And here we have the different conditions as if the application is not running or it is running, then based on the Boolean condition. So it will wait until that Boolean condition is true or false. Then data table is empty or number of rows, columns, then date condition, then dictionary, then DLL, then file conditions, then folder conditions, image recognition we have, then JavaScript, legacy automation, list, number, object. Like this, we have many conditions over here: string condition, task bot, VBScript, and window. Okay, if the window does not exist, okay, let's see if the window exists. Okay, for this condition to check, we need to launch the window first. Okay, let's use this. Let's select the Microsoft Edge. Okay, so wait for condition. So here we need to give the window. So first we will disable that, and we will execute this one, line number 8. We will launch the NSE India with the help of bot only, and then we will see the validation using wait for condition using window. There is a delay in between, line number 5. Okay, manually just will validate. Yes. Now the next line, message box, line number 6. So you can see sometimes the browser will take more time to launch. So let's go to the, yes. Now wait for condition. If the window exists, so in the application, let's refresh it and let's select that. Yes, NSE. Let's save it. So wait for this condition. So here we can put the condition. So how long you would like to wait for this condition to be true? So here we can put the delay. Okay, let's enable this first. Let's save it. Let's say 10 seconds. Wait for this, and let's put one more message box after this. Let's put the message as window launched successfully. So this is actually a dynamic delay. This one, 10 seconds. So even if, so this is 10 second will be the maximum seconds of delay for which the bot will wait. And if that particular website is launched, or this window title, if the bot detects this particular window title within or less than 10 seconds, then it will move on to the next line of code. That means if the window is found, it will not wait for 10 seconds. So we can say it's a dynamic delay. So this is the difference between the static and the dynamic. So this will be the maximum wait time. Okay, so let's see the execution again. Okay, let's change it to 5 seconds. It was 50 initially. Okay, let's close that initially. Yes, now we can run the bot again. Call the subtask. Actually, we have disabled that. Now it will be executing, opening the window. And now we can see it's a wait for condition, and as the window has launched successfully, it has not waited for 10 seconds and immediately it has moved on to the next line of code. Window launched successfully. So this is what the wait for. It's a dynamic delay. Yes, we can see the bot completed the execution. And also we have the different options like wait for screen change and wait for window. So wait for window. Okay, we will check that as well. Wait for window to be open or close. So let's say if the window close. So it will wait till the time the window is closed, or we can say till it will wait for the time till the window to open. And uh, s- this will be the number of seconds till the time the bot will wait to validate this particular condition. So this also we can use. And wait for screen change. So this we are using whenever there is a dynamic web page on which the loading will be slow, like it will take some 20 to 30 seconds to load some part of the window contents, and after that also still the page is loading and some of the contents are still loading, and we want to go ahead with particular object from the web page, then we can use this particular wait for screen change. And we can here capture the region for that particular web page where we want to focus, and based on that condition we can move ahead with the automation. So you can try this. So this is it for the automation for the pause, delay and the wait commands. So just to summarize, so in the task bot we have run, pause and the stop activity. So run, this one. So we can execute the subtask bot using the run activity. And for the pause and the stop, we can perform it for the currently executing bot. Either we can pause the execution or stop the execution of the current task bot. Then for delay, it's a static delay. How much number of seconds or milliseconds if you give, it will wait for that particular amount of time. And wait will be the dynamic delay based on some web page condition, or any window is to be opened, or if that window is closed. So it will wait for that particular condition to occur. All right. So this is it for this video. Thank you.